Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start preparing for exams with Kaplan, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the subjects or topics you need to prepare for. Identify the exam dates and create a timeline leading up to those dates. Gather all necessary materials, including textbooks, notes, and Kaplan resources. Familiarize yourself with the exam format and structure. Create a study schedule that allocates time for each subject. Incorporate breaks to keep your mind fresh and focused. Use Kaplan's study materials, including practice tests and online resources. Engage with interactive tools to reinforce your understanding. Join a study group if you benefit from discussing topics with peers. Set specific, achievable goals for each study session. Track your progress to stay motivated and adjust your schedule as needed. Take advantage of Kaplan's online forums for support and tips from others. Prioritize the topics where you feel less confident. Utilize flashcards for quick reviews of key concepts and terms. Practice under timed conditions to simulate the exam environment. Review and analyze your practice test results to identify weaknesses. Make adjustments to your study plan based on your performance. Stay organized by keeping your study space tidy and free of distractions. Incorporate active learning techniques, such as summarizing information. Stay disciplined, but allow flexibility in your study plan as needed. As exams approach, focus on revising rather than learning new material. Lastly, ensure you take care of your physical and mental health during this period. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.